Hello, Jingers. Good afternoon. For this video, guys, pangalawa na po nating video ito sa araw ng Miyerkules, April 20. Ito na po. Ayan, andito tayo sa Habog Kayo. Pasig River man siguro niyo. Can you see that one? That's Pasig River. Ngayong hapon sa tanan, I am just excited to share to you my view. Hangin kaayo. Yan and that is, I'm not sure, condo sa kabila. Dito tayo guys sa Pasig City, lugar ni Mayor Vico. Shout out Mayor. Hashtag Vico Soto. Gusto kong pumunta ng penthouse. Mamaya punta tayo, try natin. Yan po ay swimming pool. Yan po yung may green na atip. Yan ay swimming pool na po yan. May ano siya, may takip. Swimming pool na para dili ba ano po yan ang gitakluban ka na nila. And then every night diha mi maglakad-lakad with the dogs. May nagbasketball pala guys. Ayan sila nagbasketball. Diba? Dribble. Yan, sige, go. Pasa. Ayan, layo na to kayo na. Ang first time ko magdungaw dito, para talaga akong malula. Nung sa Makati last 6 years ago, that's only 19th floor or 17th. Ngayon, nasa 25th floor tayo kaya level up. Yan po guys, let's enjoy the view of the city. Yan po dyan ay City Metro Manila. Probably that's the bridge, the Esplanade. Yeah, that's Pasig River and then Esplanade. Parang yan Esplanade. Hindi ko pa natanong Pero I'm sure, very familiar. Quiapo po yan, banda. Quiapo. Onya, Rojas Boulevard, tung dito layo kayo, then Baywalk, layo kayo. Andiri nga side mo ni mga Antipolo at unsa ni? Di man ko sure. Onya na guys mag-research sa ta sa mga to. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye guys. Salamat. Bye everybody. Don't forget, life is always a blessing. Life is a gift. Let's share and care. Let's go video. Video lang tayo na video. Yan lang po. Bye po. Enjoy the summertime. I am enjoying my summer vacation. This is until June. Probably I will be here until June, but every now and then I will go out of town. Like I will go Visayas, I will go Mindanao, I will go south, I will go north of Luzon, and then coming back here to stay with my longtime friend Ate, a Chinese friend. Because once in a year I will see to it na that I have to rest and I have to unwind. I have to treat myself. Di lang puro work, alaga. No. Nawala na tong beauty sa alaga ng baboy, manok, kanding. Tindahan. Yung sarili natin, hindi na naalagaan. So, yun lang po guys. Bye-bye everybody. Have a great day everyone. Bye. Ching TV. Bye-bye. Ayan.